Good morning, I'm Paul Sanger with the Morning Report. In Tuesday's trading session, US equities saw marginal gains, with investors closely monitoring Nvidia's upcoming quarterly earnings and guidance. However, the Dow faced pressure due to significant declines in JPMorgan Chase shares. The Nasdaq rose by 0.22%, while the S&P 500 and the Dow closed 0.25% and 0.17% higher respectively. Despite a recent four-week rally driven by the soft landing narrative, market movements lack significant directional catalysts. Additionally, the macroeconomic landscape remains subdued, with little new insight from Fed officials. Investors are eagerly awaiting the next crucial inflation data point, still a few weeks away. Nvidia shares continued their upward trajectory, closing 0.6% higher for the day, ahead of its earnings report scheduled for Wednesday after the close. The company is anticipated to report Q1 sales of US $24.7 billion, marking a staggering 243% year-over-year sales growth. Meanwhile, options traders are pricing in potential swings of up to 9% in Nvidia shares in response to the earnings release. In other company news, Palo Alto Networks shares closed 3.7% lower, despite beating expectations for its official third quarter earnings. Bank of America highlighted that ETF flows are surpassing single stock inflows for the first time in 2024, with clients consistently purchasing ETFs across various styles and sizes. In economic updates, Central Bank Governor Christopher Waller emphasised the need for several months of supported inflation data before considering rate cuts. He indicated that a continued softening in data over the next 3 to 5 months could prompt the central bank to lower borrowing costs by the end of 2024. Among US sectors, utilities emerged as the top performer, closing up 0.97%, while energy lagged behind, closing 0.51% lower. Elsewhere, the Biden administration announced plans to release 1 million barrels of petrol into the US Northeast market over the next month to manage prices as the summer season driving begins. In other news, the majority of Shell shareholders supported the company's revised climate targets, despite environmental groups advocating for stronger emission reductions. Approximately 78% of shareholders backed Shell's adjusted energy transition strategy, although a notable 22% voted against it. Furthermore, the Commonwealth Bank introduced a new initiative in collaboration with property tech platform Composite, allowing developers to secure off-the-plan sales with buyers contributing an initial deposit as low as $10,000. This initiative aims to accelerate the construction of residential properties by facilitating easier access to pre-sales. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for watching and have a good day.